Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today's video is going to be about Boxycharm, and that is this box of goodness right here. I am so excited to share this with you guys. Now, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription program, and with that subscription you pay $21. You will receive a box once a month with 4 to 5 full-size products in it. So that is what makes this a little bit different than Ipsy or what's that other one, Birchbox, where those are mostly samples and once in a while you'll get full-size products. But with this box you get 4 to 5 full-size products worth over $100 in value, yet you only pay $21. You can upgrade to Boxy Luxe, which is a bigger version of this box. So with the upgrade, you still pay $21 a month, but every 3 months you pay $28.99 and you get the bigger Boxy Luxe box with the like 8 products. I think it's like 7 or 8 full-size products in that one. So let's open up our box today and see what's inside. So in every box there is this little card with the description of everything that you received in the box, and I do believe it tells you, yes, it does tell you the MSRP for each item. So what we will do at the end of this, we'll add up what each of these full-size products cost, and we'll see how much of this box was worth, even though I only paid $21 for it. So the first thing in the box that we're going to take a look at is this. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. So I'm excited about that. Let's open this up and take a look at this beautiful little palette. So here it is. This is what it looks like. We're going to open it up. It does come with a little plastic insert and a mirror, so we're going to cover that up so you don't see my window there. But here is what this palette looks like. It has some beautiful nude shades in it, some nude, and oh, there's a little pinky shade here, and it does have some shimmer shades in there. Let's swatch a couple of these to see what they look like. I'm going to swatch a shimmer shade here, and let's look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. I want to swatch this pinky shade. Ooh, these feel so buttery. Ooh, I like that. So there's that light pink shade in there. Let's do this dark shade. Again, super buttery consistency. And here's that dark shade. I cannot wait to dive into this palette. It is so beautiful. We're going to read what it states on this little card as well. So on the card it states that eyeshadow palette is packed with 4 shimmers and 4 mattes, and it is everything that you need to create an endless natural look. Now this palette here, MSRP for $36, so that's already more than what I spent on my subscription. The next thing we're going to look at is this here. This is the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence primer. I believe that's what it is. Let's look at our little sheet here and see what it says. So for the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence, it states, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence. Infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract, this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So ooh, I'm real interested. Oh, look at that. So this is what the top of it looks like. It's really weird. I'm gonna put some on my hand here. Oh, it's like, yeah, it's really odd. It's like a strange little oil or serum, and it feels really oily. That's exactly what it feels like. It feels super oily. So I'm not sure. Let's see. I think I put a little bit too much on my hand. So there's what that looks like. I mean, it feels nice, and it smells kind of good too. So I'm gonna give this a try and we'll see where it goes. The MSRP on this one is $23. So again, we're over what I already spent on the box. On to the next thing. This is the Skin & Company's Whipped Cleansing Cream. Let's see what the little card says about this cleansing cream. It states to banish dull skin with Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. Formulated with pure black truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this gentle cleanser delivers intense hydration while improving skin's resilience and tone. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out as well. That's gonna be like a lot of fun. The next thing up, and I am super excited about this. This is Dominique Cosmetics Liquid Lippy, I think. Let me go here. Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I'm so excited because I have wanted to try Dominique Cosmetics products and I just haven't yet. And the little card states for this one, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. The MSRP on this is $17. Look at this beautiful shade. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I love the packaging. It's so cute. I'm gonna, here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on just to see what it looks like over my lipstick. Oh, that is so pretty. It smells like birthday cake. I love this stuff. I'm so excited for this. Isn't this gorgeous? So this is the lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics. And to the next one, and this is the last product. So I did receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And this one, oh, this kind of goes along with our little lip gloss. This is a lip pencil from Dirty Little Secrets, and this is in the shade Rosy Posy. So we're gonna open this and just do a little quick swatch of it. And this is a pencil that you're gonna have to sharpen. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So here's what that looks like. Isn't that a beautiful color? Ooh, I can't wait to try that one out too. And I think that will go really well with this lip gloss. So let's see what our little card says about this one. Smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create your perfect pout. Now this one MSRP is for $15. So let's go over what each of these costs and see what our grand total is. So for the Dirty Little Secrets lip liner pencil, that was $15. Our skincare face wash was $25. The Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss was $17. Our Touch and Soul Prime Essence was $23, and our eyeshadow palette was $36. That is a grand total of $116. I only paid $21 for this, but I have $116 worth of makeup. I think that is pretty cool. So I really do highly recommend that you guys jump on the Boxycharm bandwagon. I think this is a great deal. I think this is a lot better than per se the Ipsy and the Birchbox because you do get full-size products instead of sample size. That concludes our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as a little notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!